So here we have this DUMOS gaming chair. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. And here's everything that came with it. There's the large parts for the chair, then this box has a bunch of the smaller parts, then here's the hardware to put it together, and the instruction manual. Looks like this is going to be a pretty simple build, so let's go ahead and put it together, and I'm going to use this timer here to see how long it takes. Alright, so first we're going to take this star-shaped base piece and attach all 5 legs. And each leg just takes 2 screws to hold it on. It does come with an Allen wrench, but I'm using a screw gun here to make it go a little bit faster. Once that's put together, we can flip it over and set in the gas strut. Then take the bottom seat cushion and screw on this piece with the adjustment lever. Now we can take this and just set it on top of the gas strut. Attach these handles to the seat cushion using a couple more screws on each side. Then slide on the back piece, put 2 screws into one side, and then we can use these plugs to hide all 4 of those screws. And then flip it over to the other side and finish it up. Alright, and there we go. It's all put together. That was super easy. Took just about 13 minutes. It has a nice sturdy metal base, cheap casters. The cover on this is a faux leather. It's nice and soft. It has about a 2-inch thick foam cushion. The armrests are foldable, so if you want them out of your way, you can fold them up like that. First impression, it's pretty comfortable and it rolls around easily. The back is a little bit flexible. There's also this lever on the side you can use to adjust the height, or if you pull it out, you can rock back in the chair. Overall, it's a super simple chair, nothing special, but it's nice and comfortable and it looks nice.